Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. Snake plant, aka mother-in-law's tongue, is a common houseplant that has become increasingly invasive in our natural areas. Join us for some hands-on vegetation removal and native planting on Saturday at Highland Scrub Natural Area at the Snake Plant Strike Force Exotic Plant Removal Workday. Learn the fundamentals of fishing and then put them into practice at the Fishing Clinic at Markham Park and Target Range on Saturday. We will provide the fishing gear for this catch and release event. Cheer on your favorites as they compete for a grand prize in this one-of-a-kind Broward Disc Golf Tournament at Tradewinds Park and Stables. This weekend's Nature Lecture Series at Fern Forest Nature Center will focus on those slithery, scaly snakes. There's no better way to be one with nature than to go out and experience it on a nature walk. Join us this Sunday at Fern Forest Nature Center for the Maple Walk Swamp Tromp. Wear sturdy boots and be prepared to encounter lots of mud. Enjoy your weekend. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend.